Hola everyone, this is Loso Perez with Prime Vice Studios, and today I'm going to show you how to activate your comic characters using action arrows. The first thing you want to do is draw a quick gesture of your figure. Start with the stick figure and just think about the action you're trying to capture more than accurate anatomy. Next, we're going to highlight the movement by drawing an action arrow around the area of your figure. Make sure that the arrow is large enough to surround the general area of your figure. This is where the action happens. Lastly, build your figure using the action arrow as a guideline. Utilize it as a reference to understand your character's action. The direction of the arrow directs the reader's eye. As you build your figures, play with the posture and push the boundaries of your underlying guideline. Well, I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Now start your comic today using Comic Draw. And remember to always use references.